Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to open MS Paint using run command. So guys, if you want to open MS Paint using run command, so very easy. Firstly, window key plus R key type. Window key plus R key type. Type here MS Paint. MS Paint. Click on OK. Here it is. So guys, very easy. Firstly, window key plus R key type and type here MS Paint. MS. Click on OK. There it is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to open MS Paint using run command. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.